Are you a mental health professional who feels totally lost when it comes to tech? Well, I'm here to tell you you're not alone, but here's the truth. If you're not online, you're invisible. If you want to create a beautiful website that's easy to manage without any coding or tech experience, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Nafisa Sekandari. I empower mental health professionals to grow their online presence, boost their income, and expand their impact so they can help more people more effectively. Today, I want to talk to you about an all-in-one platform, which is called Kajabi. I use Kajabi as an all-in-one platform for building my email list, selling my digital courses, offering my online membership and my community, and selling my books and live events, and for building and maintaining my website. I also use Kajabi for emailing my patients and communicating with potential customers with my online newsletter. If the idea of building an online presence feels a little overwhelming, you're not alone. Maybe you've thought, I'm not tech savvy. Maybe words like coding or SEO or analytics makes your eyes glaze over. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a tech expert to make a powerful impact online. Kajabi makes it so easy for you to build and maintain your website with easy templates and an amazing customer support system. So no, you don't need to be a tech expert to have an online impact. You just need to start. We're living in a world where more and more people are looking for mental health support. And where are they looking? You guessed it, it's online. Whether it's through Google, Instagram, YouTube, or even TikTok, people are searching for answers. They're searching for reassurance and looking for information from someone that they can trust. And if you're not showing up where they're searching, someone else is. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell for all alerts. This doesn't cost you anything, but it does help support my content and lets me know what you like and don't like. So going back to your online presence, having an online presence isn't about being flashy. It's about being visible. It's about building trust, and it's about making mental health more accessible to the people around the world. So let's take the mystery out of it. An online presence can be as simple as a basic website that tells people who you are and how to work with you. It could be as simple as a blog post sharing helpful tips or insights. It could be a weekly email to your community. It could be a short video offering support on a common issue like anxiety or burnout, or even a social media post that reminds someone that they're not alone. None of this requires coding, and this is why I love Kajabi. Kajabi has easy-to-use tools designed with non-techie people in mind. And if you're already doing great work offline serving your patients in your practice, you can also share your knowledge, your voice, and your heart online too. You became a mental health provider to help people, right? But you can only help the people who can find you. Having an online presence will grow your practice and income. It will increase your reach far beyond your zip code, and it will establish you as a trusted expert, and it will help you to create a lasting impact even when you're not in session. People are craving real, compassionate, and educated voices in the mental health space. Let them find yours. It frustrates me so much that so many in the online space don't have the training or the expertise that we have as mental health professionals, but they are the ones sharing advice and being considered experts in the field of mental health. So no, you don't need to understand code. You just need to show up online in any capacity you feel comfortable, even if it's a weekly blog with useful advice. But you do need to start with having an online presence, and that starts with your website. The world needs what you have to offer, and now more than ever, the internet will help you share your knowledge and expertise with the world. Now is a great time to get started. If you're interested in trying Kajabi as the all-in-one platform where you can host your website, start your blog, keep your educational videos, build your email list, and share your monthly newsletter with your patients, now is the perfect time to sign up. To learn more, visit drsekandari.com/Kajabi. And as an added bonus for trying Kajabi, I will include my tech stack recommendations for tools that can make your online presence easy and effortless. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell for new content. If you have any questions about Kajabi or want to share your comments about this video, let me know down below. I read all the comments and will respond to you, so be sure to leave me a comment or ask your questions. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.